Hi everyone, it's Simon from OPENROAD here, and today I'm showing you our new awning. This is a full standing A-frame sunshade and it goes a full 270 degrees around your vehicle. So let's open it up and we'll look at its cool features. Let's go. So first thing you'll notice is the heavy duty bag and also the heavy duty zippers as well. Now the beauty of this awning is that it's really strong but also really easy to open. So just pull the zipper back and then we just flip the bag over the top, and then you'll see it comes with these 3 Velcro straps. So all you have to do is undo them like so, and that's how you assemble your awning. So what I love about this awning is how simple it is to assemble. So the next step is just to open these 3 fasteners. Like so, and then all we're going to do is we're going to pull the awning out, and it's going to come all the way around the vehicle. Okay, so when we get it to there, we take the ratchet, put it through the loop like so, thread the hook through your vehicle, and then if you need to, you can tighten the ratchet just by pulling. Really is that simple. So as you can see, this is a huge awning and you get 270 degrees of coverage. Another great feature is the material. It's very heavy duty. This is 600D Oxford and it's got a UV rating of 50 plus. So it's going to keep you nice and shady inside and protect you from the sun. So the awning comes with these support arms, which are nice and strong. They can carry a lot of weight and they're fine for breezes and gentle winds. If it's more windy, we also have these support legs. This one is fixed to the awning. So to assemble, all you do is undo the Velcro, undo the catch here, put it down to the ground, and then pull up and seal the catch like so. The awning comes with 4 support legs altogether, and to fit them is really simple. Just undo the catch, pull up, and it fits into the arm like so. Push down to the ground, seal the catch, and your awning is looking good. So the awning also comes with 4 guy ropes, so if it's really windy, you get even more stability. And there's a really cool feature that I want to show you inside. We've got these 3 LED strip lights here, so at night you get a nice bright atmosphere. To use these, really simple. You've got plugs, sockets, just plug the plugs into the sockets and it will fit any battery with a USB adapter. So to put the awning away is just as simple as assembling it. Firstly, we loosen the ratchet like so, and then we unhook it, and then we just bring the awning back like so. And the important thing is just to make sure that these fabric strips are nice and flat. It's going to make it easier to fold up. So bring it back towards your vehicle. With this excess material, just wrap it over the top like so. Push it nice and neatly against your car, and then with the Velcro strips, we're just going to bring them up, thread them through the loops, tie them down like so, and repeat. Three times. And then all that's left to do is just zip your bag back up and you're good to go.